Hey guys, I'm Ty, and you're watching the DJI Spark tutorial video series. In the past, controlling a DJI drone required either a remote controller or a smartphone. With Spark's new advanced gesture system, controllers and phones are no longer a requirement to fly. In this video, we'll show you how to launch, control, and land Spark all with the palm of your hand. Ready? All right, let's get started with palm launch. To perform a palm launch and use palm control, you'll first need to enable advanced gesture control. You can enable this option during activation, but if you didn't, don't worry. Just go to Visual Navigation Settings in DJI Go 4 to turn it on. While a mobile device or remote control isn't required to fly, we do recommend connecting one to the aircraft's Wi-Fi so you can take control in case of an emergency. For added safety, DJI also recommends installing propeller guards when using these functions. Now to get started, power on the aircraft, then place Spark on your palm with its nose facing toward you at eye level. When the rear LEDs start flashing yellow, tap the power button twice to launch FaceWare. When the camera detects your face, the front LEDs will flash green and the motors will start. When the front LEDs turn solid red, release Spark and the aircraft will hover in place. After performing a palm launch, the aircraft will automatically enter gesture mode. And from gesture mode, palm control allows you to fly Spark simply using hand and arm motions. To get started, stand a few feet away from Spark. Raise your arm and point your open palm towards the camera, keeping all your fingers fully extended and as close together as possible. Solid yellow front LEDs indicate Spark starting to recognize your palm. If the front LEDs flash yellow, and that means you're either too close or too far away from the aircraft. Go ahead and adjust your position accordingly. When the front LEDs turn solid green, Spark's ready for palm control. Now, slowly move your hand up, down, left, right, forward or backward, and Spark will move right along with you. Once you're comfortable with palm control, try some more advanced maneuvers. Wave your hand and Spark will fly backwards and up, then start tracking you. To take a selfie, hold up both hands and make a frame with your fingers. The front LEDs will flash red for 3 seconds, and Spark will snap a photo. When Spark is following you and you want to land, raise your arms up above your shoulders for 2 seconds, and Spark will fly right back to you. You can perform the same gesture to have Spark follow you if it isn't already, provided that the aircraft is still in the air. When you're finished flying, put your hand below Spark with its nose facing toward you, and the aircraft will land on your palm automatically. Well, that's how to control Spark just using your hands. In our next video, we'll take a look at Spark's 2 main flight modes. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.
Meet the glider. If the outside of your window's dirty and you can't reach it, you can try to climb up a high ladder, or you can take a walk on the roof, or simply use the glider. The glider is a simple, perfect solution to clean the outside of windows when there's no easy access to them. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet and comes in 3 models designed for window thickness from 4 to 28 millimeters. The uniqueness of the glider lies in its ability to spread the cleaning liquid from the part of the window that's nearest to you across the entire window. The glider washes the dirt off both sides of the window at the same time. The glider has 4 wipers layered in a perfect way to pull the liquid across the glass, leaving it clean, dry, and shining. The microfiber cloth can then be used to wipe off any remaining streaks on the window after the glider's operation. For safety, close your window on the white string or wear the security ring. The glider is part of a line of prestigious cleaning tools from Tyroler, a leader in the market for over 25 years.
At S-Type Bionics, we use robotics to make people's lives more comfortable, safer and healthier. After years of development, we are proud to introduce the legs. The world's first exoskeleton designed specifically for people like you. The legs is a wearable seat that integrates seamlessly with your body. It allows you to sit comfortably in the most ergonomic position, anytime and any place. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminium, the legs is light, durable and easy to put on in just a few seconds. The legs lets you sit instantly and aligns your body into the best ergonomic position. This helps reduce the risk of back pain, fatigue and stress from long commute or working hours. Our patent-pending design is very light yet very strong, with a user weight limit of 120 kilograms. Heavy backpacks is another major cause of neck and shoulder pain. The legs can shift up to 50% of that weight to your core, reducing the risk of injury. Hi, I'm Billy. I'm the co-designer of the Legs wearable seat. I take long commute every day while carrying heavy backpacks. Over the years, my neck and shoulder pain has grown to become unbearable. So, I decided to join this team to help fix this problem with the very best that today's technology has to offer. I've been testing the Legs prototype for a few months now and it has been amazing. It has become one of the most essential items. Long commutes and lots of working hours can make you feel like your body can never relax, but with the legs, you can. We made the legs to work in all situations for everyone. It's great for traveling and exploring new places without having to worry about your back and shoulders. The legs will also change how we use our workspace. You can sit even in places too tight for the chairs and do more with less space. The legs doesn't limit you from physical activities. You can move, run and jump freely with the legs. It's designed to be a part of your body. I believe that the true potential of robotics is for man and machine to perfect each other. Our legs is the first step in that direction. An extra pair of legs where you need it the most. Our team has delivered products to some of the world's biggest companies, and we will put that experience to good use. Join us and become the first people in the world to experience how the Legs wearable seat can truly enhance lives. Thank you for your support, and let's put the future on.
experiencing the high. It feels like a percussive massager, mostly. It's wonderful. It's very relaxing. I've never been able to use a percussive massager like that over most of my body, even up under here, which is wonderful for me. Having had an orgasm induced from this, it's not like other orgasms that start on the outside of the body from physical stimulation. Because of the way it works, I can feel it vibrating inside my body against my sacrum and organs, and it's the orgasm quality is very deep and emanating and wonderful and kind of sneaky too. I would recommend any of my friends and any of my colleagues to try it out too. It's really quite an experience. I like it quite a bit. Now that I've used it, I kind of ran out of words.